Exercise 2.3 question number 18 is 10x square minus 7x minus 12. So the product of 10 and 12 is 120. So we have to find out factors whose product is 120. And their sum of difference is 7. First of all, we have to find out factors of 120. For sure, 120 times 100, 120 times 120, 2 multiplied by 6, 120, 60, 120, 3, 40 times 120, 4, 30 times 120, 5, 24 times 120, 6, 20 times 120, 8, 15 times 120. Let's find out our required one. As there is negative sign, this negative sign tells us that the difference of two factors must be 7. Find out difference of 1 and 120 is not 7. Difference of 60 and 2 is not 7. 40 and 3 is not 7. 30 and 4 is not 7. Difference of 5 and 24 is not 7. 6 and 20, difference of 20 and 6 is 14, and difference of 15 and 8 is 7. So this one is our required one, 8 and 15. I will write 10x square minus 12. Product of same signs is positive. I will put positive sign here. 8 and 15 are our two required factors. So I have to put 15. I have to take 15 here because 15 is bigger, and I will write 15 with the negative sign because negative sign is in the question. 15x plus 8x. Now make groups. 10x square minus 15x plus 8x minus 12. Take common. What would be common? 5 is common. 5x is common. 2 5 times 10. X square, not x square, x is common, so x, only x comes here. 5 3 times 15, x was common, plus 8 and 12, 4 is common here. 4, 2 times 8, x minus 4, 3s are 12. Next, 2x minus 3 is common, this one and this one. Next is 5x plus 4. So this is our answer of question number 18. Next, question number 20. Question number 20 is 19. 5x square minus 32x plus 12. 5x square plus 12 here. Product of two opposite signs is negative. I will sign a negative sign here. And now 5 and 12. Product of 5 and 12 is what? 60. Now find out factors, other factors. 160 times 60, 230 times 60, 320 times 60, 1 4 15 times 60, 5 12 times 6 60. I have to find out 30. There is plus sign, so I have to find out factors. By adding them I will get 32. This is the first one. By adding 30 and 2 I will get 32. By multiplying them I will get 60. So this is our required one. I will put 30x and 2x as our two factors. 5x square minus 30x comes in one bracket minus 2x. This negative sign will change inner sign, so positive sign will be converted into negative sign. Now take common. 5 and x is common here. 5 is common, x is left, minus 36. 5 times 30, 5 was common, so 6 left here, and x is common. Minus 2 is common, x minus 2, 6 times 12. X minus 6 and 5x minus 2 are our two required factors. Question number 20. Question 20 is 4 square root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 square root 3. So the first factor is the coefficient of first term is 4 square root 3. Coefficient of last term without variable, that is without variable, is 2 square root 3. First of all we have to evaluate it. Multiply them. 4 2's are 8. It would be 3 square root 2. Cancel out this 3 with square root 3. I will have 8 into 3. 8 3 times 24. It means we have to find out factors of 24. Now what are the factors of 24? Factors of 24 are 1 24 times 24, 2 12 times 24, then 3 8 times 24. Okay, yes, I have got the answer, but I will write other factors also. 4 6 times 24, 6 4 times 24, 8 3 times 24. Okay, I will pick either. I do not need all these because I have got this one. How? Let me explain you. I have write first factor here and the last factor here. Product of two opposite signs is negative. I write negative sign in center, so this negative signs tell me that I have to subtract our given factors to find out 5x. 3 8 times 24 and 3 8 minus 3 is 5. That is our requirement, so I will pick 3 and 8 as our required factors. Now check the sign in the question. In question there is positive sign, so I will pick up the bigger number, bigger value, that is 8, and I will write that bigger value with positive sign, and 3x with negative sign. and close them in round bracket. Minus sign will change inner sign. This negative sign turn into positive sign. From here 4 is common and x is also common. 4 was common. From x square, x is common. Square root 3x left here. 4 2 times 8. X was common. Minus from here 3 is common. No, yes, 3 is common. Let's see how. You can write this 3 as 3 square root. Is it visible? Now 3 can be written as square root 3 square, because when I cancel out square with square root, I will have 3 left, that is equals to 3. So I can write 3 as square root 3. So I will write 3 square root 3 square x plus 2 square root 3 here. I'm not going to take common now. In the next step I will solve it. Furthermore, I will write it square root 3 square as square root 3 into square root 3 2x plus 2 square root 3. Now take common. 4x square root 3x plus 2 minus square root 3 will be common. This square root 3 and this square root 3. We are left with square root 3x plus 2. Now square root 3x plus 2, square root 3x plus 2 is common. Square root 3x plus 2 comes here. 4x minus square root 3 is our second factor, and this is our answer.